Welcome to this Redpen AI product demo. I'm Jamie, I'm one of the co-founders at Redpen AI, and today I'm going to walk you through our assessment platform. So when you first log in, you'll be prompted to create a classroom. Here you give your class a name and you add as many students that are in your class. Once you've created your classroom, you can then create a lesson. And here you give it a lesson title. You select the key stage and subject. Right now we support Key Stage 2 English. And then you give it a learning objective and success criteria. Now, these are really important because the learning objective and success criteria inform our AI agents how to assess the work. So the higher quality these are, the higher quality feedback you'll get. Now, once you've set up your lesson, when you're in the classroom with the students, you'll click this Show QR code icon. And this is what you'd normally put up on your whiteboard or on your screen. And students have two options to submit work. They can navigate to the website themselves and enter the code, or they can scan the QR code that takes them directly to the app. Now, to quickly show you what that app looks like, it takes them straight through to the lesson. They select their name, and they can either take a photo of their written work, or they can upload a file if it's digital. Once they've done that, within 5 minutes, the work is transcribed and assessed using our AI agents, and feedback is given to the teacher. So right now we support what went well, next steps, and challenge, but we're adding other feedback formats in. You can see here Emily wrote a character description, and what went well is she used strong words like sharp and mysterious. The next steps would be to fix the mistake at the end. And the challenge would be, can you add a feeling like the wind or the sound of his coat to make Ethan seem more alive? So the challenge is really there to push the students' learning on more. You can also edit the lesson details here. So if you did want to change success criteria or the learning objective later on, you can do that. And you can approve the feedback here as well. Now, once you've approved all the feedback and you're happy with each piece of work and feedback, you can then export it. You can save it to PDF or you can print it, and we're adding support soon for Google Classroom and other providers as well.